Xline Moto. This variant of our trailer is designed exclusively for traveling with a motorcycle. Today, we are traveling with a group of motorcycle enthusiasts and presenting the Xline Moto in more detail. I'm Julia, and you're on the Lifestylecamper channel. The trailer is balanced so that the load of the hitch is within the limits allowed by the European certification system, both this and without a motorcycle. It is equipped with a 30 liters auxiliary tanks on each side of the trailer. Optionally, a luggage rack with a load capacity of up to 75 kilograms for motorcycle gear can be installed. A special mounting system has been developed, allowing the motorcycle to be quickly and easily mounted and secured on the trailer. There is also the option to secure the motorcycle with safety straps. For trips to remote areas, the trailer is equipped with additional water tanks, enabling the use of the wash from the leading German manufacturer Kärcher. It's a battery-operated, and its battery can be charged from the trailer's onboard system. The onboard system charges from the solar panels, the towing vehicle, or a small generator. Suspension details. The standard suspension for the Xline Moto is a no-torsion suspension, but it can optionally be equipped with an independent suspension. Lifestyle camper trailers have several significant advantages due to their high-quality suspension, making them ideal for off-road travel. One of key features is the independent knot suspension. Our specialists have made modifications to the knot-independent suspension design. It allowed to increase the suspension travel from 7 to 16 cm and the tilt angle to 48 degrees. Our changes have been approved by knot designers. Currently, Knot provides exclusive article numbers for new details and modified suspension components for us. We believe that the exclusively increased suspension travel is also our competitive advantage. This system provides a smooth ride and absorbs road irregularities, reducing stress on the trailer and its contents and improving stability during maneuvers. The Lifestyle Camper suspension is also suitable for harsh off-road conditions thanks to its increased ground clearance and robust components that withstand impacts from branches, rocks, and other obstacles. This allows you to travel to remote places without risking trailer damage. High-quality 16-inch wheels with off-road tires add reliability and allow confident travel on challenging tracks. Front and rear wheels, fender steps, trailer maneuvering handles, rear ALKO stabilizing screw jacks, 30-pin connector that connects to the car, allowing the stationary battery to be charged while driving, external body coating, Line-X Polyurea, a high-tech polymer widely used for waterproofing and protecting various surfaces. It forms a seamless, moisture, temperature, and mechanical damage-resistant coating. It's widely used in the automotive industry, especially for waterproofing vehicles, providing reliable protection of internal and external components from moisture and corrosion. Even in the event of the accident, the camper did not deform. This coating allows for trailer construction without any seams. All fasteners are made of stainless steel. Roof rails with a static load capacity of up to 200 kilograms. Optionally, you can install a roof basket, load capacity up to 75 kilograms, or a folding tent, 3.2 x 1.4 meters. Additional options include a retractable awning with lighting 2.5 x 2.0 meters, providing a great taste area protected from the sun and rain. The built-in lighting allows for comfortable evening relaxation. If you travel with a large family, the tent room 2.5 x 2.0 meters and 2.0 meters high serves as an extra sleeping place or a children's play area. Alternatively, you can choose a fan-shaped awning with lighting, 2.5 meters radius and 270 degrees angle. Changing room, toilet or shower room, 1 x 1 x 2 meters. Shower in the trailer works in the following way. Water supply. The shower draws water from a built-in 16-liter reservoir. Water heating. Water is heated using an electric heater, which requires a campsite power connection or a generator. Temperature control system. The shower may have a temperature control system to ensure comfortable showering. Connection point complete with a hose and watering can. Adjustable shower pressure. The shower head allows for adjusting the water pressure for an optimal flow. This shower room can be used for a composting toilet. Living area. Interior wall finish. Automotive carpet or Fox Suede Alcantara of your choice. Floor covering. Automotive carpet or linoleum. Comfortable bed with an orthopedic polyurethane foam mattress. 2.05 x 2.4 meters. With wooden slats or a foldable sofa bed, 2 x 1.4 meters for comfortable sleep, soft headboard. Storage and cabinets for personal items, clothes, shoe, gear, and other necessities. The cabinet facade is laminated with Italian HPL plastic. The cabinet central section has a fold-down table with an organizer for bottles. Transparent roof hatch with a fan and temperature sensor. Optional. You can choose Webasto roof air conditioner with up to 2 kW heating capacity, only from a 220V network, and Webasto autonomous diesel heater with up to 2 kW heating capacity. Foldable cup holders. 2. Hooks for outwear. 2. Stretch nets for small items. 2. Removable window mosquito nets. 2. Removable door mosquito nets. 2. Entertainment system. Bluetooth car stereo with stereo systems, 2 speakers in the living area and 2 in the kitchen area. Optional 24 LED TV and portable external TV antenna. Swivel bracket for laptop. Ceiling LED lighting with timing, LED headboard lighting and electrical equipment control panel. Kitchen area equipped with a full kitchen. Cabinet facade and countertop laminated with Italian-made HPL plastic. Cabinet for storing dishes and other kitchen utensils. Compact stainless steel sink with a swivel faucet included. Cutting board. Thermoelectric refrigerator with a capacity of 27 liters or a compressor refrigerator with a freezer function with a capacity of 25 liters. Single burner or double burner gas stove. Water heating for the stationary water tank with a heating power of 1 kW, only from a 220V network. Main lighting and electrical equipment control panel. Paper towel holder, 5-liter gas cylinder and gas regulator. Possible accessories: foldable kitchen tent measuring 1.3 x 1.4 or foldable kitchen tent for a stationary solar panel. Dining area. Includes a table or a bar counter for convenient dining. Power supply can be provided by solar panels, a generator, a car, or by connecting to the camping grid. Security system includes locks on the various zones of the trailer and an anti-theft hitch lock for protection against theft. Electrical equipment, various outlets, inverter, batteries, lead-acid, lithium or GAL, intelligent charger of various capacities. External lighting devices of the trailer, LED marker lights, running and signal lights, external LED lighting to the entrance area. Optional external plastic shoebox. This way, you have a fully autonomous system for traveling to any destination with the minimum necessary comfort zone, from a ward bed and shower to your favorite motorcycle. Your possibilities with the Lifestyle Camper trailer have become much broader and brighter.